Welcome to Grab and Go Info. With ChatGPT's growing popularity as an AI-driven language model, many users are considering upgrading to the premium version, ChatGPT Plus. In this tutorial, we'll provide step-by-step instructions for getting started with ChatGPT Plus. Additionally, we'll weigh the benefits against the costs to help you make an informed decision about whether it is worth the investment. Join us as we explore the world of ChatGPT Plus. I've captured screenshots of the key pages for your convenience, allowing you to easily reference the blog post without needing to spend time watching the video. This way, you can quickly grasp the essential information and apply it to your ChatGPT Plus experience. Step 1. Upgrade free ChatGPT to ChatGPT Plus. Log in ChatGPT free version and click the Upgrade to Plus on the left sidebar. A new window will pop up with the comparison between the free plan and ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 per month. The three benefits for ChatGPT Plus are availability when demand is high, faster response speed, and priority access to new features. Click the green Upgrade Plan button. You will be directed to a page to fill in the payment information. After submitting the payment information, there is a confirmation page indicating that you've been upgraded to ChatGPT Plus. Click the green Continue button. Step 2. Choose a model. There are 3 models to choose from with ChatGPT Plus: Default GPT 3.5, Legacy GPT 3.5, and GPT-4. At the time this tutorial was created in April 2023, GPT-4 is the latest version. Hovering over different models shows the model's reasoning, speed, and conciseness level. Step 3. GPT-4 versus GPT 3.5. Once GPT-4 is activated, a notification appears stating, GPT-4 currently has a cap of 25 messages every 3 hours. Expect significantly lower caps as we adjust for demand. To assess the difference between GPT-4 and GPT 3.5, let's put them to the test. For the prompt, suggest 5 birthday present ideas for my father's 70th birthday. Here's what GPT 3.5 generated, and below is what GPT-4 returns. In my opinion, GPT-4 offers superior suggestions due to its ability to consider specific details from prompts, such as a 70th birthday celebration. This advanced model generates creative ideas like conducting family tree research and presents them in a more naturally articulated manner compared to its predecessor, GPT 3.5. This makes GPT-4 a valuable resource for generating personalized and innovative ideas. Summary: does ChatGPT Plus worth the money? Whether ChatGPT Plus is worth the money depends on your specific needs and how you plan to utilize the technology. If you require higher quality suggestions, more in-depth responses, or the ability to handle a wider range of topics compared to the free version, ChatGPT Plus might be a valuable investment. Additionally, if you are interested in using ChatGPT plugins, ChatGPT Plus members have priorities on the waiting list. I will create a tutorial on using ChatGPT plugins. Be sure to follow me or subscribe to receive notifications when the new tutorial becomes available. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.